Zoe, what are you having for lunch?
Chicken.
That's cheese.
Yeah, and then here's
It's a wrap.
in what?
Yeah. Is it good? There's more cheese. Good morning, guys. So it's actually lunchtime, and yeah, it's getting slow starts to our day. I feel like we're not excited about getting ready, I guess. So, and half of us still aren't even dressed. So anyway, Caitlin is doing some baking now that we finish lunch, and yeah. I have no idea what I've got to do today. I've been just pottering around, sorting stuff out. So yeah, we've done a few different things to the house. Eric got a Stuva toy box, which I'll go show you, to put all our Duplo in, because it takes up 5 of the, you know, the square bookcase from Ikea's, I think it's called Kallax, tubs. And I thought, why don't we replace the coffee table with this Stuva toy box thing, and that way Harry and Joel can use it as a desk, because you just pull the actual toy box out, so they can use that as a desk. More Harry than Joel. But when we start up homeschool next week again, which is more the official one, we were sort of, the last 2 weeks I think the teachers were just fluffing it. So I had no idea what to do. No one knew what to do. It was very all of a sudden. So yes, hopefully over the last 2 weeks they've figured out, or at least tried to figure out how to do lessons and stuff. Yes, so we did that. I moved a like a 1x4, one of those square bookcases, in front of our bed, because the kids keep sitting on the end of our bed and it's like drooping from where they sit. Or they lay on the floor and you trip over them all as you walk through, because it's like the walkway through at the moment. Yeah, so I'll show you them today at some point. And yeah, I've been sorting through clothes. It's been really good actually. So just been chilling. Yesterday was a horrible day though. Everyone was in a bad mood, and yeah, so I didn't want to film, and I didn't film the day before. I tried to do one day where I just leave them alone. So anyway, I also am trying to get ahead of our videos, because at the moment I just make it to upload by either 9 or 10 p.m. So yeah, anyway, now I'm trying to think of what I get. I think my brain's gone to sleep too. It's like so meh, especially the last few days. I've had, I think it was 4 days in a row raining, and today is overcast, which looks sunny at the moment, but it's actually overcast. The sun's just popped out to prove me wrong, I guess. So yeah, it's been a little bit dreary and boring, but that's life, I guess. I've caught up on folding all my washing, and majority of it's away, and yes, so anyway, we better find something else to do apart from rambling. Caitlin's making some blueberry muffins, and what was everything? The same thing that Cooper made.
There's not that many sultanas, as we found out in there.
Yeah, I know. It was $1.50, so
maybe we'll put, because we have a container of sultanas.
yeah, I'm not sure how to go though. Don't unwrap it too much or you won't see what grams to cut off. Just cut through the paper. That's what I do.
Okay.
Just use that big knife. What are you three doing? Are you in Daddy's bed?
Bouncy.
You shouldn't be jumping on my bed. It's not a trampoline.
Bouncy.
Yes, it's bouncy. Can you pull my blanket up, Zoe? So this is the thing that we put here, which has all the new baby stuff in it, which is coming handy. Hi, Harry. Did you change clothes again?
No, you got to.
They're not for Nonna.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, put it all back or I'll lose it. Nora. What are you doing, Cooper? Playing Roblox?
Mom, come.
Come.
I'm gonna say something. The Zara puffer. It's the puffer. There's a gale one.
Yeah.
There's a gale. I can hear you. What?
No, do you want to show them your new Duplo box? Can you open it? I don't think you can. Can you help her? We've got all our Duplo in there, don't we? Yeah, there's a lot of Duplo, a lot more Duplo than we thought. Have you got your tutu trains out? Where's the trains? You just broke him. Break him. You're silly, no-nos. Miss Tiger. Actually, I think that's a lion. He ate a panda.
He's hungry.
He's hungry.
Yeah. Banana. Come on, Dina. Come on, Dina.
Where's your penguin?
Is it mine? Mom, what? What's mine?
Your person?
Come on. That's a bag.
Yeah.
Fun bag.
There's Minnie Mouse. I stood on Minnie Mouse last night. Oh, the fishy. Is that a Nemo fishy? Oh, you got fishy. What you building, Cooper?
Should color coordinate it like me.
Aren't they in bag numbers?
Yeah, but when you
And the
when I
plane
took
is
the bag out,
practically
I put all
grey.
the different colors.
Yes, no. Oh, yeah. I think we got rid of most of the Octonaut stuff. Sorry. Yes, it's a shark. Dinner is ready. What are we having for dinner tonight? Meatballs. IKEA meatballs. And jam, yes. Peas.
A Victorian man remains behind bars. At risk. Police claim security.
So it's the end of another day. Well, sort of. We're going to be up for another few hours. This video is going to be late unless my computer decides to process it and YouTube uploads it really fast, which they haven't been lately. But anyway, we got another one up, so I guess that's a bonus. yeah, so all of our videos are going to be all over the place and quite boring because we pretty much can't leave the house. We actually just went to IKEA to grab a few things, which we knew were just inside the checkouts. So, but they changed their hours and I read hours on Instagram. So anyway, not to worry, I'll go and get them on Thursday. So hopefully it's not crazy because we want to do something in the boys' room. And yeah, so that is it for today, guys. I hope you like this vlog. Like, subscribe and comment below. Bye.